What if you could combine the best AI coding assistants into one unstoppable workflow? We're breaking down how merging AI tools transforms your development speed, and it's simpler than you think. Individual AI tools like GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Claude excel at different tasks. Merging them creates a supercharged workflow. You get context switching, specialized prompts, and backup solutions when one tool falters. For freelancers and agencies, this means faster delivery, higher quality code, and competitive pricing advantages. Start with GitHub Copilot for inline suggestions, ChatGPT for architecture planning, and Claude for complex logic. Add specialized tools like Replit for testing, and Stack Overflow integration for documentation. Layer them strategically, each handles. This combination covers ideation, coding, debugging, and deployment seamlessly. First, set up GitHub Copilot in your IDE. Second, create ChatGPT custom instructions for your project style guide. Third, use Claude as your API for batch code reviews. Finally, automate handoffs with Zapier. Each tool triggers the next, eliminating manual context switching. Your workflow becomes a smooth, efficient pipeline. Users report 40% faster development cycles. Pro tip, build separate chat contexts for different project phases. Use version control to track which AI generated what. Monitor costs. APIs add up fast. Start small with 2 tools, expand gradually. Document your merging strategy so clients understand your process and value. Users report 40% faster development. Subscribe for more AI tool hacks, hit like to support the channel, and comment which tools you'd merge first.